Hi, I'm Dr. Shefali Tyagi. I'm the practicing obstetrician and gynecologist working for Motherhood Hospital, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore, India. How effective are the emergency contraceptive pills? First, you must know what are these emergency contraceptive pills. These are the pills which you must use to prevent pregnancy after any intercourse. When do you need it? These contraceptive pills are required if you've had any intercourse which was not protected, or your contraceptive like a barrier or condom as it is called failed or leaked, or it was a forceful intercourse, or you were not very thorough with your oral contraceptive pills. In that case, these pills can be taken within 72 hours of the unprotected intercourse. Now, how effective are these pills? If taken within 24 hours, they prevent up to 95% of pregnancies. Then further on, if you take it after a day or two, then the effective rate is around 85%, and it falls to 60% if taken later. So that you must understand, these contraceptive pills are not 100% preventing the pregnancy. There could be failures. Now, how do these emergency contraceptives work? They basically either do not allow the egg to be released from the ovary, or if the egg is already released, they don't allow the sperm to fertilize the egg, or if the sperm has already fertilized, it does not allow the fertilized ovum to be accepted by the uterus and grow as pregnancy. What are the side effects? Side effects can be, you can have nausea, vomiting, bloated feelings, some abdominal tenderness or pain. There could be some irregularity of periods. The bleeding can be there soon after taking the pill or 3-4 days later, or your next periods might be affected, either coming too early or too late. So can these contraceptive pills become a regular contraception for you? The answer is a big no. These contraceptive pills are to be used only as emergency contraceptive when you have no other choice. But they cannot replace your normal regular contraceptives because one thing, they have a failure rate which is much higher than the others. Let's say a copper T or a oral contraceptive pill. Then secondly, the side effects can be there which are not widely advertised. The periods can be badly affected by even a single use of these contraceptive pills. The periods can become irregular. You can have spotting, bleeding for n number of days just by a single use of these contraceptive pills. So you cannot keep on having it n number of times without thinking about the regular contraception. So if in case you feel that you are having sexual activity and you would require contraception, please go and discuss with your doctor for a regular normal contraceptives, which can be a copper T or oral contraceptive pills or even barrier or condom.